Led Cmf1036-Sv8.5 Festoon Led 4. Focus beam on compact design. Built with a 30 narrow beam angle, this Festoon Led bulb offers focus, concentrated illumination ideal for precise lighting needs inside vehicles. Efficient, reliable, and user-friendly. With only 0.5 W power consumption, it ensures bright performance with minimal energy usage and low heat output. Supports 12 V DC or 24 V DC, and features a non-polarity design, allowing installation in either direction. No need to identify positive or negative terminals. Versatile applications. Ideal for multiple vehicle interior lighting uses. Vanity mirror lights, reading light, license plate light, dome light, map lights, door courtesy light. Fully compatible with Sv8.5 Festoon-based sockets. Flexible size options. Width 10mm. Lengths available 31mm, 36mm, 39mm, 42mm in more upon request. Color options. 600K cool white standard. 2700K warm white. Custom colors red, yellow, green, blue, etc. Easy installation. Direct plug and play replacement, no rewiring or polarity concern required. Note: please verify bulb size and socket type before purchasing. Contact us for custom specifications or OEM/ODM support.